Okay, we're ready to do our very own dot day project. So, what I would like to do is use these really smooth, beautiful oil pastels. These are kind of soft where you're not going to press hard. You don't have to bang it, you just have to let it smoothly glide over your paper. They're soft. So again, once you start using them, you'll realize that you don't need to press hard. So I'm gonna start with a dot because it's dot day. And I can choose any of the colors I want, but I'm gonna go around this dot with some fun little patterns. I might do a wavy line next, but I'm going around that dot. I could do two wavy lines next to each other. And again, I don't have to press too hard. Next, I might want to add a loop-de-loop, just making some loopy circles around. And again, dot day is just a fun way to create. There's no right or wrong. You're just creating art that you like and you want to make. My next line, maybe I want some zigzags, but it's still, I'm just going around my original dot, like so. And I think I have room for one more run around my dot. You can almost think of it like a racetrack. We're just going around and around and around that center dot. At this point, you don't have any more room out here, but we could do some fun things if you want, and you could add some dots in different areas. So again, it's totally up to you. There's no right or wrong. There's no one way of doing this. After you finish your drawing with our oil pastels, the cool thing about these are they're watercolor pastels. So I can take my brush and just dip it into my water. So we're gonna dip it in, and then on the lip, the edge of the cup, you just want to take a little bit of water out because you don't want a ton of water. But the next thing we can do is swirl it around, and that's going to create kind of like a watercolor effect. And I can go and I can pick up some more water. Again, if I'm rinsing my brush, I'm just dabbing on the bottom. Dab, 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 and then pull it across my lip. And I can go into here and loosen up this yellow a little bit. I can go into my orange and paint around that a little bit. See what happens. And I got some red. And when I put my brush over the red, it comes loose like an oil color. Or like a watercolor, sorry. I'm gonna keep going around, creating my painting by just rubbing over. Maybe I'll go back over and I get a little bit more color. I'm gonna keep wiggling my brush. It's almost like dancing around. Now here, I'm gonna rinse. I think I'll just go around this outside and see what happens. Because in art, you never know what's gonna happen. You just kind of try and see what you get. And it's always something unique and very, very special. So again, just keep going around. But I'm going to keep going in the circular direction, and voila, I've created my own very special, unique, wonderful dot.